everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing my December Boxycharm unboxing. I just got this in the mail. It was delivered to me via FedEx, which was kind of weird because it always is in my mailbox, not delivered through like UPS or FedEx. And also in the back it does say USPS tracking, so that was a little different. So yeah, I have this Boxycharm unboxing for you guys. Let me know if you're subscribed to Boxycharm down in the comment section below, or do you think of subscribing to Boxycharm? This is a subscription box and it is retailing for $25 a month. So if you want to see what products I got in my Boxycharm this month, definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. I do upload 3 times a week, Mondays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, so definitely subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's just go ahead and jump right in. Just be my last Boxycharm unboxing here. Heather from Love Heatherette, I think is her YouTube. She did comment in my last video saying that she doesn't have Boxycharm, and if anything catches her eye from the box, she does buy it off of a Facebook Boxycharm like page. I do follow the Boxycharm beauties on Facebook, and I have bought stuff from Boxycharm boxes before, so this box is not the greatest, but it's not like the worst either that I've seen anyways for sneak peeks. But I think this is going to be my last Boxycharm. Again, I just need to go ahead and cancel it. There are a few things in here that I'm super excited for, but I think it's just time, you know? I have a really big makeup collection, and I don't know. I'm usually only keep 1 or 2 things from the boxes. So I believe this is going to be my last Boxycharm unboxing again. So this month's theme is Whimsy. $25 a month. You get 4 to 5 or 5 to 6 full-size items. The first product I do see in here that I was super excited for was this Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. And this product right here retails for $39. I did go on the site and I was able to pick out between this or the oil from Elemis, I believe, and I decided to go with this because I've heard super good things about Saturday Skin. It doesn't smell like anything, but it is packed to the max, so I'm pretty excited to use this. I've heard super good things of Saturday Skin again, and this alone I already, you know, got my box's money worth. And I am running out of my nighttime cream, which I think this will work super well because it looks like it's like a gel moisturizer. So I am pretty excited for this. The next thing in the box that I'm super excited for, it was this product right here. This is the Ciate London Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher, and I got mine in the shade Halo. I didn't know we were getting this in our box, but the packaging is super cute. And this is what the inside looks like. It's kind of like a mauve-y toned blush. It has like marble print in it. It looks like a mauve type of blush. Yep. So I'm excited for this as well. Not like I need another blush, but I thought this was another product that was cool to have in the box. And this product right here retails for $36. So yeah, it's a radiant flush of color with marbled light illuminating. So I'm also excited for this. Everything else in here, to be honest, I'm not super excited for. I did get my money's worth with just those 2 products, but again, I'm definitely paying less than what I would if I bought those products like at full price. But I don't know, sometimes you can get super good deals on those Facebook pages, so I might again just cancel this box. I should. This is the Seraphine Botanicals Daikon and Dreams Lip Exfoliator with radish extract, and this retails for $24. So it's a gentle lip scrub infused with radish and chamomile extracts, as well as chia seed oil to keep lips smooth, cleansed, and conditioned. The unique blend of soft golden sugar in a healthy base of avocado, apricot, and jojoba oils, as well as shea and cocoa butters, further help protect lips from any future chapping or flaking. Let's go ahead and see what this is all about. Let's just open it up. See what it smells like. Ooh, it smells pretty good. Oh yeah, you can feel the like scrubby particles in here. It actually smells really good. Okay, so we will definitely try this out. I think this is really nifty with it being in a squeezy tube bottle, just because I do have nails and I do have like these potted lippy scrubs, and I always have to like scrape my nail in there to be able to get some product. So this is nice that I can squeeze it out and be able to exfoliate my lips. So I'll definitely try this out. And again, it smells super good. It kind of smells like cotton candy maybe a little bit. It smells really good. Next up in the box is this palette right here. This is by Storybook Cosmetics. I got the Little Red Riding Hood palette, and this retails for $35. I think the packaging is super cute, like this little book packaging is really, really cute. And here are the shadows that I got in my palette. And these are definitely colors up my alley. Really like it. The only thing is that I would definitely not travel with this just because it's really bulky. And this could definitely have been in like a little thin palette. I haven't tried Storybook Cosmetic formula, but I do have their like floral brush sets. I have the eye brushes and I also have the face brushes. I don't think I'm gonna swatch this just because I don't want to swatch it to just keep it, you know, like I'd rather put it towards like a future giveaway or something, because I don't see myself using this very often or taking it with me like on trips or anything. So I am going to save this for a future giveaway. And then the last thing in here I got is this Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit. They sent the shade in dark. Okay, so the product is open. Can you guys see that? So let's see, like it's not even closed all the way. Can you guys tell? It's not even closed. And it looks like it comes with 2 brow powders and a wax. So in the pamphlet it says, style your brows like a pro with the ultimate brow kit designed with 2 long-wearing brow shades, brightening brow lift, sculpting mascara gel, angled brush, and flat brow brush. So this is the little brush you get. I don't think I would really use this as for my eyebrows. This is a little mascara, brow mascara, and then again you get the 2 brow powders, which this looks black. I would not use it on my brows. I might use that, but then this, what is that? This is brightening brow lift. I guess for the brows? Is that for like right here to kind of like lift your brows? That's gonna be too dark for me if it is. So another product that I will not be using. So yeah, you kind of see why I want to cancel, because I'm only really using 1 to 2 things per box. You definitely get your money's worth. It's definitely worth the $25. But for me and my wants and needs, just feel like, again, I can purchase these items through the Boxycharm Facebook page. This box was okay again. It's not like I'm like so excited for everything I got in my box. Oh my gosh, go get your hands on this box. Like, not really. I think I'm just over Boxycharm. So this is definitely going to be my last Boxycharm unboxing. If you think I should keep it, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. But as of right now, I think this is going to be my last Boxycharm. So I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Let me know down below what you think of this box in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!